Hey, how's it going, everybody? Blue Scrumpy back for another video. Okay, in this video, I'm going to be doing something different. So, instead of a bit grinding in the potato war, even how I know I'm not going to win, because probably people have like millions and I only have like 1,600, but I want to at least try and get about like 5,000. So, I'm going to be doing that, but, in this episode, I want to do something different. So I want to go to the Explore tab and go to someone's island. So, free stuff I'm quitting. Okay, does this sound, is this kind of cheating? Well... Okay. No, it's not cheating, and, so... I will, now I want you guys' opinion, but this is gonna be my opinion. I will allow it. I'm gonna allow this. Like, I'm allowed to buy things, but I can't, like, everything I get from it everything I have can't be just from these, like, islands, okay? So that's what I want to say, because then it's kind of just OP, because, like, I could buy something that's, like, way cheaper than, like, normal thing, or instead of grinding, I could just buy it for, like, 10,000 coins. Like, I'm not gonna do that. So, yeah. I will not be doing this, and it's taking a while to locate the island. God. Yes, it's taking forever. I might just stop the video and then come back when it's finished. We are in, everybody. We are in. Okay. So, yeah. I just check average. So, target, currency. CPU. Select current. Okay. So back in. So we're in a world. So cool, I don't really care. So this is, I'm giving away all my stuff because I'm quitting, so yeah, where's all the stuff? Free stuff? That's not free! That costs money! I mean, I can't afford that, I'm too poor! Okay, lag. 1 frame per second. 1 frame. Okay, I'm just gonna look away. Nope. I don't want people, something a bit, let's say, a bit not, like, friendly, I guess, is, like, on your side of the screen. Yeah. God, this is so laggy. Okay, I just need to go to another one. This one is, like, trash. Shit. Join what? Oh, that's my join code. Yo, if anyone wants to go to my island, my join code is right there. Actually, I might do that for a video. So that's the game this is just the one that I just joined. I'm quitting, so, let's just go all the way down. God, lag. If I am lagging in this video, I'm sorry. I'm not meaning for this. It's just so laggy. Probably because, like, there's other people, and I usually try and play on a private server, because then you'll have to load less things, yeah, stuff. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna pause and then come back when it's ready. Okay. After so much, like, pausing and waiting, well, I didn't even really need to wait for so long, but still, I am in someone else's island, so this is probably not really a shop one. Oh, yeah, they've got Pharmacletus. Don't mind if I do. What is he sell? Oh, God, that radishes. Why aren't you selling pumpkins? Oh, yeah, here so I can sell my pumpkins. I've got... Where are they? I've got like over 100 or something like that. Tomatoes. I'm just reading the names. Yeah, 84. So much. This guy must be like working on this. Oh, okay, that's the owner right there. It's pretty nice. So, this is the donation section. They sell my wood. Do I have any? Hey, so does this count as cheating? Like, what's your opinion on this? How much wood do I have left? 5 still. Got 5 oak wood. Hey, I don't care. It's just giving me free money. It's just free money. Okay, that is such a good deal, but I don't have any of that stuff yet. Dang. Oh, wait. Hey, wait. I can't pick any of that stuff. Okay, yes, so this isn't cheating. Or did they patch it? Wait, let's go to factory. They didn't patch it. Yes. So, if you go to someone else, here's like a little trick for you guys. If you go to someone else's island, and then they've got like a tier 3 workbench just out in the open, interact with it, you can access all the tier 3 stuff without even having a tier 3 or tier 4 like workbench. So, I can make that stuff, man. See, this is just... What are the conveyor belt? What's the conveyor belt area? Rotten is conveyor belt. Wait, or did they move the conveyor belt to Anvil? I think maybe they did. I don't know. But this island actually looks pretty good. I like the design. This is the only thing, probably. Like, of course, it's not finished. I can tell it's like mine, but just straight. It's just like, nah, the island cuts off there. But I like what this person's doing, so keep it up. And I actually thought about, they gave me an idea for a video. I could like review your islands. Like, or just review like one of like a build that you made on like any like Roblox game or anything. That'd be a nice idea. Like you just send me the game, you just send me what your username is and then tell me what game it is on, and then I'll like rate it. I wonder what these people talking about. Okay, well, this is nice, and he's got a lot of blackberries. I wish I could harvest stuff. It would be so nice if I could distill this stuff. There's one thing I would just like to address. I do not like the idea of giving people my permission. I am not trusting anyone at this moment. So with the co-op world idea, I still need someone to do co-op with me so I can do a series of that. That's different because like we share. So whatever you do, you're impacting the island. So you impact how it goes for you. But where did it go? My profile. No, my skills, toggle, no, that's trade mode. I don't want to do trade mode. I'm never going to do it because I don't like the idea. Settings. I don't know. What map? Oh, yo, I forgot to show everybody this. So now, there's a actual map of like the island. So Maple Island, haven't been here yet. Pirate Island,